main goal of test cells is to ensure that the engines are reliable and are safe for flight, and that our pilots are safe. My job is aerospace propulsion. I work on jet engines, repairing, troubleshooting, and servicing jet engines in the U.S. Air Force. When the engine is brought to test cell, we load it up into the test stand. Then we hook up a lot of various equipments that will gather readings, and it will direct it to the run cab. So while in the run cab, we basically jot down and write every single limit we get off the engine, just to basically ensure that the engine is safe and reliable for in-flight. What I like about my job is when I see these jets fly. It's actually one of my dream jobs. This is my dream job. When I see these jets fly, or when I'm in the test bay and I see the engine turned on, I just think like it's amazing what us as like humans are capable of engineering. This piece of equipment can take anybody anywhere across the world and get us there safely.